Another update that's been done with the Chris Max is it no longer has a button or switch located on the barrel of the unit. Like we mentioned earlier, that's now been put down on the base of the unit. Another important factor when using this unit is to make sure that you properly install the barrel. You want the handle as well as the vent hole to be facing down. The reason the vent hole needs to be facing down is because when this unit is working, it's sucking up. So if it's facing up, anything that falls gets sucked into the unit, any kind of moisture in the air, any kind of dust. And this unit is only IP20 rated. Another important part when it comes to your Chris Max and the way you're setting it up is you always want to have your barrel higher off the ground. The higher the better. This allows to, when you're shooting it, the wind can pick up the snow, help it travel further. Another important aspect is you don't want to just necessarily shoot the snow straight out or down. It's important to have it kind of at, I'd say about a 20 to 30 degree angle. That way it adds another couple feet to its length.